I wanna say something, but you are all that I see.
Underarms go through a lot, and sometimes all they get in return is insecurity and discomfort. So let's fix that. Get ready to show your pits some love.
The end of me. I wanna say something, but you are all that I see. You got dynamite.
First things first, pigmentation, yep, that's normal. It happens to everyone, but we get it. It's not always easy to feel super confident about it.
The end of me. You cannot lie over.
Try a gentle brightening scrub. We can't get enough of plain old rice flour and milk.
Let's take each other out.
Tried Hands Up yet? It's our best-selling underarm brightening cream with some magic ingredients to make you feel your absolute best.
My tie. You cannot lie over my tie. Let's take each other out. Think I'd try this a new way.
Listen up, hairy underarms? Totally your choice and totally unrelated to hygiene. If you can keep your scalp clean with all that hair, your underarms will be just fine. If you do choose to let it grow and show, make sure to clean it daily. If you'd rather get rid of it, do it right. Whether shaving, waxing, creams or epilators, make sure your tools are clean and you exfoliate first and moisturize after. All red and itchy up in there? Skip the tight, scratchy clothes, as much as possible at least. Use products free of harsh chemicals so they won't irritate your sensitive skin. And our favorite, freeze some aloe vera and use the ice cubes to soothe anytime. Did you know antiperspirants prevent excess sweating? And deodorants neutralize bad odor, so make sure you've got the right one for your body. Roll-ons or sticks work better than spray-ons if you deal with sweaty pits that don't exactly smell like a bed of roses. And here's a secret tip. Apply it before sleeping too, because it can get into your pores to work even better. What else? Glycolic acid works like wonders to reduce sweating and brightens up the area too. So no more hiding them away. Flaunt those underarms no matter what. Watch more underarm videos here and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell icon. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.